When we first started, it was a lot of chaos. There's a lot of, noise, kind of people stepping in each other's toes. It took a long time to learn how to pick a rhythm and stay with the rhythm.
I'm Jim.
Derek.
Tom.
Jay.
Alex. We were kind of founded when one of our former members, who's now chosen to take early retirement, he was in a coffee shop with a toy typewriter that his girlfriend had bought for him, and he was just kind of pounding away on the thing and annoying all the people around him. And the waitress came up and said, "Hey, cut that the heck out." And he said, "No, it's okay. I'm the conductor of the Boston Typewriter Orchestra." Once you've lied to a waitress about it, you have to follow through on the project. We started out really in house parties, and then from that, a little bit of word of mouth got around. Then we hit a couple birthday parties. We've had invitations to play at all sorts of clubs, couple of TV appearances, and at the moment, it's kind of a huge response that we're getting. A lot of our typewriters have come from the side of the road. We find them on trash night. Sometimes there's typewriters in Goodwill. If somebody said the sound of a typewriter is annoying, I personally have the talent to make the sound of anything annoying. So, I'd say if I can make any sound annoying, then I think we as a group can make the sound of the typewriter pleasant.